Hello everyone, myself Gaurangi Kushwa and I am an intern with Lexison Company. So today in this video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency in India, what's the government stand, legal status and its future. So let's get started with the video. Recent developments in the crypto world, including Bitcoin free fall from $65,000 in April to below the $40,000 mark after Elon Musk's statements have brought back because on laws around the governance of cryptocurrencies in India. Around 7 million Indians have already pumped in over $1 billion into cryptos, and the government has the tough task to allow fintech space to flourish in India while making sure it's done without safety concern. So let's understand the central government's stand on cryptocurrencies and the legal status in our country. So, what's the government's stand on cryptocurrency? After dilly-dallying over legalizing or banning cryptocurrencies, the Indian government has taken an encouraging steps towards regulating digital currencies in India. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has made it mandatory for companies to disclose crypto trading investments during the financial years. Experts see it as a positive step and accept the taxation rules to follow through. This is being considered as the first step towards regulating cryptocurrencies in India. The accounting of crypto assets is aimed at curbing illegal activities and circulation of black money via cryptos. It can also improve corporate governance with more transparent disclosures. The center has assured crypto stakeholders that there won't be a blanket ban on digital currencies and that it's still formulating its full opinion on the matter. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that center was open to experimentation with new technologies and it's not closing its mind for them. So now let's look into what its legal status in India. Cryptocurrencies are not illegal in India. So if you want to buy, let's say Bitcoins, you can do so and start trading in it. However, India does not have a regulatory framework to govern cryptocurrencies as of now. The government had constituted an interministerial committee on November 2017 to study virtual currencies. The group's report, along with a draft will flag the positive aspect of distributed ledger technology and suggested various applications, especially in financial services, for its use in India, including banks and other financial firms as well. However, the center had flagged reservations around its misuse and wanted to put a blanket ban on India. Latest report says cryptocurrency may not face a complete ban in India. The center may soon set up a panel to regulate them. The decision was taken after several cryptocurrency exchanges urged the center to regulate virtual coins rather than banning on them. So, is cryptocurrency taxable currently? So yes, the cryptocurrencies basically transactions are taxable in India in cases where the person earning such gains is an Indian tax resident or where the crypto is said to be domiciled in India. Were cryptocurrencies ever banned in India? The RBI, through a circular in April 2018, has advised all entities regulated by it not to deal with virtual currencies or provide services for facilitating any person or entity in dealing with or setting them. In 2018, the Finance Ministry has also issued a statement saying the government does not consider cryptocurrencies as legal tender or coin and will take all measures to eliminate the use of these crypto assets in financing illegitimate activities or a part of the payment system. The government will explore the use of blockchain technology proactively for assuring in the digital economy. In mid 2019, a government committee has suggested banning all private cryptocurrencies with a jail term of up to 10 years as well as heavy penalties for anyone dealing in digital currencies. However, the Supreme Court in March 2020 overturned RBI circular permitting banks to handle cryptocurrency transactions from traders and exchanges. So, now moving towards, is government working on digital currency? So while the government has some reservations regarding cryptocurrencies, it's also working on its digital currency too. The government does not want to be left behind in the new tech revolution and aims to cash in on the benefits blockchain technology offers. The time has come to leverage its application while at the same time strengthening the digital infrastructure. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das has said in February while announcing that RBI is working on digital currency. So I hope by this video or everything, or not everything, but something are clear to you. So thank you everyone and stay safe, stay healthy.